Okay, we're looking at independent practice, 5.3, number 6. We've got some information from a survey about eating breakfast and feeling tired. And we're asked to fill in a two-way table and then create conditional relative frequencies based on breakfast totals. Okay, so we got 110 people ate breakfast, 30 people skipped breakfast. Of those who ate breakfast, 10 felt tired. Of those who skipped breakfast, 10 felt tired. Make a two-way table. Here, this one will be on counts. And then a two-way table that shows the conditional relative frequencies based on the breakfast totals. That's a mouthful. That's the trickier one that's here. We're going to get the counts in first, but the counts are like the just numbers pieces. So what I'm going to start with is 110 people ate breakfast. Now that is a marginal frequency because that's all of the people who ate breakfast whether or not they are tired. 110 people ate breakfast. 30 people skipped breakfast. Okay. So on my horizontal axis here, my two-way table, I've got breakfast. They either ate or they did not eat. Okay. They use the word skipped here. Same idea. Didn't eat breakfast. And then it's about feeling tired or not. So here I have feeling either tired or not tired. So we got the totals for all the people who ate breakfast, whether they were tired or not. All the people who did not eat breakfast, whether they are tired or not. Okay. Then of those who ate breakfast, so in the breakfast column, 10 felt tired, so there's a 10 here. Of those who skipped breakfast, 10 felt tired. So also 10 here, but out of a smaller pool, right? This is 10 out of 110. This is 10 out of 30. We're going to make a two-way table that shows the conditional relative frequencies based on the breakfast totals. So these came from the original. We need to get a few more pieces of information here to fill this out. Let's see, we can get the total, like the grand total here is 140. This is going to be a total of 20. So this is 100 more because 10 plus 100 is 110. And then let's see, we have 10 plus 20 is 30. And this is 120. And 20 and 120 is 140. 110 and 30 is 140. Okay, now they want the conditional relative frequencies. So this is going to be out of a given condition. Now it does say based on the breakfast total, so that's important. We're going to basically break these up into percents, but based on what we're seeing here on the breakfast totals, it's going to be what percent we're tired, what percent we're not tired, what percent we're tired, what percent we're not tired. These should both sum to 100%. So what we're going to do here to fill these two in, I'm going to grab a calculator. And we're going to do the tired out of the total for breakfast. So to get the percent that are ate breakfast and were tired, based on this whole column, we're going to do 10 divided by 110, which is about 9%. So this is about, I'm going to put it in percent. So it's 0.09, which times 100 will be 9, right? Here I can show you times 100. And then I'm going to just round that to the nearest percent. So that's going to be 9.089. This is 9%. Actually, it would be 9.1. That 9 tells that to round up. But in any case, if I round to the nearest percent, it is 9. Now this I should be able to tell, it should be 91, because 91 and 9 should be 100%. But I can do the math in the calculator, 100 out of 110. To confirm what I was thinking, yeah, look, this would round to about 91.91, which is 91%. So if you ate breakfast, 9% were tired, 91% were not tired. Now we're going to do the same idea here, but with the did not eat breakfast. So this is 10 people out of 30 who did not eat breakfast. 10 divided by 30, that is 33.3%. We're going to round that to about 33%. 0.33 times 100, 33%. Now again, it's got to total up to 100% because out of the did not eats, you either are tired or not. But we'll do the math over here to confirm. 20 out of 30 should be the percent needed to bring this up to 100. 20 divided by 30. And look, that's a 0.6 repeating. So if I round to two places, that's 0.67. 0.67, right, times 100. About 67%. And 33 plus 67 is 100. 9% plus 91 is 100. So why do something like this? Well, because it gives you a very clear comparison about the percentage of people who are tired or not based on whether they ate breakfast. If you ate breakfast, only 9% of people were tired. If you skipped breakfast, though, a third, 33% of the people were tired. So this data is showing you're more likely to be not tired if you eat breakfast. All right, so that is your counts two-way table converted to a conditional relative frequencies. Conditional because we set it to this condition, the percent of the ate column, and then the percent of the did not eat column, and relative because it became percents instead of actual counts. So conditional relative frequency, and the frequency meaning like how often or how likely it is in that area. Hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions.